and welcome to a day in my life as a first-year PhD student at the Hudson Institute of Medical Research. This morning, after I had my coffee and I parked at the station, it was time to walk up to my desk and plunk myself down, getting ready to check my emails and my calendar to see what I had on for the day, and also to chat with my lovely friend Jenna about the paper that we were looking at for the lab meeting the next day, which was about neutrophils in endometriosis, before it was time to go to a little mini symposium and listen to everyone else's research, which was always a delight. And here I am just planning my experiments for the rest of the day. I knew I had a couple of patient samples coming in and that I needed to manage my time, so I was just writing down all the details and everything I needed to remember before I got into tissue culture. And here I'm also writing on the hood, which is one of my favorite things to do, so I can take a quick check, make sure I'm doing things correctly. Especially working with patient samples, it means I have to be very prompt and timely. So I always take a bit of extra time just to set up whatever I'm doing. And my supervisor was away this week, so it meant that I was also responsible for a couple of other students and just making sure that things ran smoothly in our lab group. And something that wasn't running smoothly was me trying to put these centrifuge caps on. I feel like I always have trouble with them. And after I spun my cells down, it was time to count them. Here they are looking very happy, and here I am looking almost as happy because it was time to go home, but not before I left myself a couple of notes, just reminding myself of what I needed to do the next day, including filling out my electronic lab book and moving my cells. Thank you so much for joining me in a day in my life as a PhD student, and here I am ready to get up and do it all again tomorrow.